Hello dear friends, I'm Violetta from Crafting with Violetta Vieux. This video is the introduction to my new crochet blanket design, GAZANIA Splendor. This project is created using standard crochet techniques with the addition of special stitches to add beautiful texture to the fabric. The blanket features octagon and square motifs, along with triangular motifs that help straighten the edges. I've also designed the matching border to complete the look of the blanket. My inspiration for this project came from GAZANIA flowers with their vibrant yellow, orange and green tones. I'm using 7 different yarn colors in total, but you can easily adapt the palette to use more or fewer shades. I've created several colorways. Details can be found on my blog at viocrafts.com. Please click on the link below this video. This is the paid pattern, and the full version is available in my Ravelry store. The pattern includes general instructions, materials needed, symbols and abbreviations, charts, written instructions with detailed photo tutorial for each round and for all special stitches, instructions on how to assemble the blanket, and video tutorials for each motif and how to join all the motifs together to make the whole blanket. For this project, you can use any type of yarn that you would normally use for a blanket. I'm using yarn from Red Heart Super Saver, worsted weight or number 4, with a 5mm hook, scissors. I also need a tapestry needle and stitched markers. And now please follow the video tutorial on how to make the octagon motif. If you enjoy this video tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. You can also join my Facebook group, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my blog to stay updated on new pattern releases and special discounts. Happy crocheting!